So I tried YouTube affiliate marketing for 3 months and I made $35,150 in commission just by using free traffic. In today's video guys, I will share with you which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how you can start step by step. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information. Okay, so I started this challenge from January 2024, okay, until today, March 2024, and today is 27, okay. I will click on update and here we go. As you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. It's not a screenshot. This is my affiliate account dashboard, okay, as you can see. So, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $11,250 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, so first step, go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Fiverr, okay. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be, let me show you, this will be your home page, okay, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay. It's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission and you can make so much money. It's the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, okay. So what you will do, click over here on join now like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private, okay. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. It will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. It's super easy, okay. What you need to do next, you just need to choose good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific and trending services that people are searching for on YouTube, okay. So what you will do, you will just go to your YouTube homepage. Just go and open your YouTube homepage like this, okay, and click over here on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to, let's say, how to create, for example, Amazon, let's say merch, okay, and here you go. You just need to ask, you can ask any question and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. And this, and as you can see over here, it's a report search prediction, okay. This is what people are searching for on YouTube, okay. People are searching for how to create Amazon merch on demand account, how to create Amazon merch account in Pakistan, how to create Amazon merch account. What you will do, let's take this topic. We will go back to our Fiverr homepage. Over here, we will click on the search. We will search for create account merch by Amazon, okay. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay. So let's scroll down and let's see if we can find a good seller here. So you just need to scroll down. You can find a lot of sellers here, as you can see. Let me see if we can find like this one. This one is really, it's looking good, but let's choose a good one. Let's see. So you just need to choose good seller, okay. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, I will do keyword research t-shirt design for merch on Diamond Amazon. This one is for keyword research. Okay, you can also promote this one. Okay, it's looking really good. Let's go back and I think I will choose this one. Okay, this one has 5 star, 2 reviews, and this service is looking really good. I will just click on his service. So just click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to copy this link and promote this link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to the seller profile page. We will scroll down, check his video. So this video is really looking good. Double click on the video and you need to save this video to your laptop. Click on save video like this and save this video. I will name this video merch Amazon, for example. Save. After you do that, go back to Google, search for Canva, okay, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. It's for free and it's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload your video, okay, like this. Click on open, upload your video to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background like this. Click over here on text and scroll down. I will choose, for example, this text here. I will click on this text like this and your text will be here. I will delete this part. Decrease the font size of your text. Put your text here. Double click on your text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description. And put this text here. Go to elements, click on elements, click over here on ship and click on this ship and put this ship behind your text, okay, like this. Okay, and here you go, check link in my description. Okay, let's see now. So it's really looking good. Okay, so what you will do, you will click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, after you finish, go back to your YouTube channel, okay, and open a YouTube channel. It's super easy. It will take just few minutes and you just need to use your email address and that's it. Okay, after you finish, create your YouTube channel and put this title. Okay, how to create Amazon merch on demand account. Okay, copy this title and use this title for your video. Don't change or add anything. Okay, it's just copy and paste. You need your title. Your title should has those keywords, okay, that people are using to search for this topic. Okay, so your video will rank in your in YouTube search results. Okay, you should use exactly those keywords, okay, like this. Okay, and go to your YouTube description and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here, okay, and go to your YouTube channel, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. It's really super easy, guys. Okay, you just need to stay consistent and promote a lot of services. Use YouTube search to see what people are searching for. Go to Fiverr, search for services that are related to those topics that people are searching for, and you can make so much money. Okay, you just, and if you will, so let me just explain this to you. Okay, if you want, if you will try this method for 1 week or for 1 month, and you will just stop, and then you will come back to the comments and see, keep saying it's not working. Just don't. Okay, please just don't try this for 1 week or for 1 month. Okay, because you will not get any commission. Okay, you need to stay consistent, and you need to improve, and you need to do keyword research for services that people are searching for, and you need to use those methods, okay, that I'm sharing with you. And that's it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. So people who are new and you don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave a link in my description below for a video that I uploaded in my YouTube channel showing you step by step how you can do it. Okay, and that's it. And I want also to explain something, guys. People who are always asking why it's showing $0 in your impression and in your CTR. Okay, let me explain to you why it's showing $0 in my impression and CTR. Okay, so when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate program, okay, they will, if you scroll down over here, they will ask you, do you have main source of traffic? If you say yes, you need to put your website link here. Okay, and you need to put your website link again here. Okay, so for me, I don't have any website. Okay, so if you put your website link here, then Fiverr affiliate will track your impression and your CTR. Okay, and you will see numbers of impression and CTR here. But if you said no, then you will put no affiliate link, no website. You will not use any website. Okay, and for me, I'm not using any website. I don't have a website. Okay, I'm just using YouTube to promote my affiliate links, and that's it. So just I want to explain this to make this clear, and that's it. I will not keep always uh, answering like those questions in the comments. It's up to you guys, if you want to start or not, and that's it. See you in my next video.